Guys, this is serious. I made her one of her favorite. This is red herring, cabbage, banana, plantain, sweet potato, and Irish potato. And she barely touched it. She touched a little bit of the red herring to say she want to get some taste in her mouth. Since we came back from visiting family in the US, we were there for 7 days, and it was hectic. We came back, she hasn't been feeling well for 3 days now. Today is the worst, and flu-like symptoms. The rest of us are okay, but she's not doing well. So I'm taking matters in my own hands. I've pulled out the spice rack. The spice basket is out. This is serious business. Thyme, cumin, dill again. We've got coriander, berry, fennel seed, yellow mustard, allspice, a little bit of conch chili, and well, this won't be mashed up or grinded up, but the rest all grounded up. I've put half of it in the pot already, tasted it, and I think you can do with the other half. So this is where we are. 2 chicken breasts with the bones in. Probably running too much. I'm going to turn it down a bit. Shake the rest of it out in there. All of it. Guys, something's gonna get it better. Either this recipe or it's the love that I'm doing it with. Oh, we got some. Just put the squash in. It's gonna boil. It's gonna cook down for maybe 15 minutes, and then we're done. Just want to soften the squash. I want to give her a little thing to eat too. So we have here, as you can see, chicken breast, all chunky. I don't want to break these up, so let me not play with that too much. But as you can see, there's some of the elbows. Not too much. I want it to be thin, but it's getting there. I'm gonna give this a little bit more. There you go, lots of juice. You can have this for a few more hours, and I'm hoping this is gonna do it. You gotta pray with me here. I've made chicken soup before, but you know what? I didn't have any special recipe. I just put a little of this, a little of that, and let's do everything with love. And I'm pretty confident that it's gonna work. Confident that it's gonna work. Okay, let that cool off. Put some in my hand and taste it. But I think we're good. Not too much salt. The salt taste from the first taste that I gave it. The rest is just gonna give it another, I would say 15 minutes. I don't want the potato to mash right out because I'm not really making not the potato, the pumpkin. I'm not making a pumpkin soup, but I want something there so she can chew on. And plus, these pumpkin, it's from her garden, and it's not handmade or homemade, but it is organic. Get the drift? I'll turn it down to low. I'm gonna cover it up, and it's gonna work. It must work, because if I swing over here and just give you a quick shot of what's going on, she's been in the sofa since yesterday, on the sofa. See, it's not like her. We're gonna bring her back with love. Well, this is it. This is the final product, and I'm gonna give it to my dear now and hope this will help her. It's very hot. She can let it cool a bit. But let's hope this will be what the doctors ordered.